Liam, you may now kiss your bride.
When I wake up in the morning, love, and the sunlight hurts my eyes, and something without warning, love, bears heavy on my mind. Then I look at you.
Dear Bebu, thank you for being the kind of a man who was very clear with your intention from the very start. Hindi mo ako pinahulaan, hindi mo ako pinag-doubt sa intentions mo. You made me feel loved, secured, and chosen every single day.
Gonna be a lovely
Maraming salamat sa Panginoon na unang-una na binigay kanya sa amin sa 32 years na malusog, kita naman. Kaya,
when the day that lies ahead of me seems impossible to face.
It is not good that the man should be alone. I will make him a helper fit for him. We were not created for isolation. We were created for connection. We were made for community.
And the world's alright with me.
My vows to you, I promise to cherish the Bebu I know today and the woman you will become tomorrow. You are my miracle, and I will never treat your presence in my life as anything less than a divine gift. Hoy! Hoy! This is it. Hindi ko nahahabaan ang message ko. Ikaw, I know what gift you want, but alam mo naman na need pa natin mag-antay ng onti. Hindi ko pa rin gusto yung PS5, hindi ka magalala. Open my simple gift muna. Love you, Bebu. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! This is it. Hindi ko nahahabaan. 50 hours playing time, pero huwag ka magalala. Hugasan ko pa rin mga plato. Sabi ko sa'yo, Bu, wag PS5. Uuwi ako eh.
parang Bebu, I love you. Nung nakita mo to sa Green Hills, nag-sparkle yung eyes mo, so here you go. Bebu, thank you sa gift mo. Sobrang pares talaga tayo ng interest, and I know na-enjoy mo rin yung gift ko para sa'yo. I love you.
Thank you sa aking mga groomsmen. Alam nyo kung gaano kayo, ano yung meaning niya sa buhay ko. Paano ako nag-transform from someone to someone better. So I can be a lot more better, pero still, God is in progress in my life. Joan, you are my home, my peace, my greatest strength. I give you my past, my present, and every heartbeat of my future. With this hand, I will lift your sorrows. Your cup will never empty, for I will be your wine. With this candle, I will light your way in the darkness. With this ring, God binds us forever.
Akala ng iba, madali ang relasyon natin kasi lagi tayong masaya. Pero witness si God na hindi naging madali ang lahat.
I'd seen it all, but I was oh so wrong. Thought that love was fairy tale. You're one in a million, or even a billion, a true phenomenon.
To my Bebu, Joan. Joan, I've always considered words to be my greatest allies. I've built worlds with them and leaned on them to express every facet of my life.
Through you, God answered a prayer I didn't even know I was still praying for. Thank you for being my safe place, my partner, and my answered prayer.
Once in a lifetime.
But standing here, looking at you, I realized that my strength was just a shield. The moment you walked into my life, you didn't just challenge my eloquence. You stripped it away. You silenced the noise and left me standing here. Mama, thank you for being here. Thank you for raising me for 32 years. I know, hindi perfecto relationship natin, pero perfecto yung Diyos sa buhay natin.
Put the color in my sky. You're one in a million.
I promise to choose you every single day, in the laughter and in the quiet, in the triumphs and in the trials. I will choose our love as my guiding light. From the moment I realized you were God-given, my life stopped being about me and started being about us.
You're the star, my light in the dark. You're the heart of my highlight, my thunderstruck, my northern light. You're my one.
I promise to love you not only during the easy and happy days, but also during the hard and messy ones. I promise to support your dreams, laugh with you through life, and choose you over and over again. At kahit gaano ka pa kakulit at kainis minsan, ikaw pa rin ang pahinga ko, tahanan ko at greatest blessing ko. I love you, my husband. Forever starts today.
I promise to be your sanctuary. I vow to be the foundation you can always lean on when the world feels heavy. I promise to listen with my heart even when words fail me. I love you always.